Hey guys, let's talk a little bit about what's going on here for this week coming up in personal money management. So you should have turned in so far three graded assignments from last week. It'd be the values and spending assignment, SMART goals, and my decision. That was the auto purchase. That was last week. So again, I always like to sort of make sure you're good on that. Please check your grade book. Look to see if you have a 0 or a score for that. If you have a 0, it simply means that you've got to get it done and turn it into me. I'll accept it. Please don't not do it because you have a 0. You still can get a grade for that. Please take care of any outstanding work. Okay, so now looking ahead here for this next coming week here for February 8th to 12th. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on a simple budget. Um, so again, here is the exercise out here. But again, as I said, always you want to go back into course materials, okay, module 1. So I have it laid out here for the week of 8th to the 12th. So here's your budget. You have an instructional, like an overview video. You also have an assignment video. You have to watch these videos because some of you guys are turning stuff in that clearly would be covered within some of these videos if you're getting things wrong. So again, I'd like to see everyone get 100 on this stuff. Okay, so again, please make sure you're looking at the assignment videos. It is critical that you get all the details because, again, you might look at the budget, look at the directions, and you get 90%, but you're missing some details. So please continue to go back and watch these videos. So that we're going to cover that on Monday, so you guys can work on that and get that turned in Wednesday night. Also, then on Thursday when we meet, okay, in class and on Zoom, we're going to be talking about my paycheck stub. I don't have like a separate video just for this. I referenced this in the overview video, so there are some directions in here. I'll talk a little bit about income and deductions when we meet on Thursday. Make sure you're good, and then we can knock this out and get this done for Friday. Now, looking ahead, okay, beyond that, where are we going? We're going to have a test. So basically when we finish up the My Paycheck stub, we're looking at a test. Before we do that, I have a review module. I'm going to have you go back and start consolidating information, putting it together on a review sheet where you can have access to this. And then I have a test that's going to be scheduled that will have to be done outside of class by the following Friday on the 19th. But that also means that we're going to be, again, doing other things. So I have the review slated for the 15th, and then we'll be doing some other stuff, and I'll talk more about that later on. But this is a quick sort of like what's going on here for the week of February 8th to the 12th in personal money management. Thanks, guys.